They are your exclusive local experts in orthopedics and sports medicine and rheumatology.
Whether you have a weekend warrior injury or a nagging pain, at OSMS you'll experience patient-focused care,
where collaboration is key when planning the best treatment for you.
Good morning, Local 5 Live. Thanks for having us today. I'm Lauren from OSMS, and today I'm joined with Dr. Joel Hein. He's an orthopedic surgeon at OSMS. Dr. Hein, thanks for joining me today.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. I'm going to have us start off by having you describe a little bit about yourself and why you became an orthopedic surgeon.
Absolutely. So I grew up here in Green Bay and was fortunate to know some of the surgeons who started OSMS. And so from an early age, I was kind of intrigued by what they did. I think what really got me was seeing them interact with patients in the community and just seeing how excited these patients were to be back to doing what they loved. And this led to, more curiosity on my point, ultimately shadowing the surgeons. And now here I am, and just grateful to be able to do what they did and take care of the people that kind of brought me up. So it's wonderful to be back.
Yeah, that's a great story. Thanks for sharing. So then now that you are practicing on your own, you've been practicing for a while, what can patients expect from you as their orthopedic surgeon?
So I think from me, but really from OSMS, is just a different experience. We are so patient focused. I mean, from the moment you walk in the door or make that phone call, it's just, it's a very personalized experience. From me specifically, and I think I can speak to my other partners as well, I mean, this is really an effort with the patient and the surgeon to kind of figure out what's the best options for people, and really work through that together and come to a plan that we both think is best for the patient.
That's great. I find that a lot with the other doctors that I've talked to. Collaboration is key.
Yes.
So what are some of the injuries and conditions that you see and treat then?
So we really see every musculoskeletal issue here, but specifically I see a lot of knee and shoulder pain is probably some of the most common things I see.
Sure. So then can you describe some of those knee injuries that you do see and treat in a little more detail?
Yeah. So I think, it kind of comes in two varieties. It's either that acute injury that just occurred or occurred within the last week or so, and then those kind of chronic or nagging injuries we see. So, whether it's a slip and fall on the ice or a sporting activity, those kind of more acute injuries are the ones we get very concerned about and worry about injuries that may need surgery. Those chronic injuries are more the nagging injuries, which again might need a surgery or might just need more treatment, therapy, injections, things of that nature. So it really comes in those kind of two varieties.
Okay. So then when people are coming into our clinic at Green Bay to see you for a knee injury, what is it that they can expect? What would that process be like?
So again, that process, whether you made that appointment, online or over the phone, you'll walk in and be greeted by a smiling face every time. I really think that's key, and patients comment on that a lot. From there, you'll be brought back to the room. We'll gather, just like any other visit, kind of your background information, past medical history. We'll ask you more specifics about your knee injury. We're going to always start with x-rays. And then at that point, I'll walk in the room, kind of ask you more questions about your injury. From there, I'll do an examination of your knee, and then we'll together go over your x-rays and kind of show you those findings. And at that point is where we'll come up kind of with the next steps for you.
Mm-hmm. And can people be seen for pain at OSMS without having an appointment?
Yes. So one of the unique things we do have is a walk-in clinic. And what really makes ours unique is it is staffed by physicians. So when you come in, you will see a physician from 8 to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. We also have that unique ability that should we need it, there's sometimes the option for same-day MRIs, same-day surgery in those very rare instances. The other nice part is it's like an urgent care or an emergency department for orthopedic injuries, but you're being charged an office visit, which is very nice from the insurance standpoint.
Yeah, absolutely. Wonderful information you have shared today. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Of course. If anyone would like to schedule an appointment with Dr. Hein, you can do so online at osmsgb.com, or you can give our office a call at 920-430-8113.
OSMS has locations in Green Bay, Neenah, Marinette, and Oshkosh.
Again, call 430-8113 or head to osmsgb.com for more information.